Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we got some more clearance deals, Makita, lawnmowers, all kinds of stuff. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can find more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform my subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Guys, we got some Milwaukee. This is some older stuff that we already seen. So this is for the new guys that haven't seen. You got a circ saw for $199. You got an impact driver drill driver for $259. With the hammer drill, and then you got a 3-piece tool combo kit, $349, and it looks like a 7-tool combo kit for $499. Most of these are brush tools. So yeah, most of these are brush tools. These are the fuel saw, fuel vacuum, and then you got the oscillating tool. So those are all fuel tools, and the ones on the left are M18s. So just keep that in mind when you're buying. That's the fuel reciprocating saw, and I believe that's compatible, or that is workable with the new buy more save more deal. At $269, guys, it's the Milwaukee hacksaw 2-piece kit. So it's the hacksaw and the impact driver, $269. All right, so on to the next one. Yeah, guys, if you guys missed this deal, make sure you guys stay subscribed. But we did end up getting this for $122. A lot of you got them. So those of you that are not getting these deals, make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit the bell icon, stay tuned, because when these deals drop, yes, $122. When these deals drop, guys, they will sell out, they will fix them, they will go away. So make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit the like, hit the bell icon. I don't want to hear you guys crying about it that you guys didn't get it. All right, so you got a hard hat chin strap here, $660. Alright, so you got the fastest setup, most adaptable. I have no idea what this is. This laser, some sort of laser mount, $47. Then you got this nail gun. That's the product number there. Then you got the item. It's a 1 3/4 coil roofing nailer. Then you got a 2-pack of filters, $14.88. So $26.97. Alright, so $19.97. You got these shirts. So durable, breathable fabric. So these are pretty nice. Not necessarily my favorite fabric, but you know, they're still pretty nice. $20 a piece, not too bad. And you got the black ones here. They do run all the way to XL. That's the only ones they had here. So if you're bigger than XL, you're probably gonna have to order one of these online. Like I said, it's not my favorite, type of clothing there. You got some hats there, $24.97 for these. Now these are really nice, especially with the heat. If you guys work here in the summertime in Phoenix, it gets to sometimes 120 degrees. Something like this is definitely something that you need. Alright, so guys, some of you guys were getting these compressors. I don't know if it's this one or another one, but you guys were getting these compressors really cheap on clearance. So I just thought I want to share this with you guys. But yeah, Milwaukee does make a compressor, and I believe it was on clearance too. Some of you were getting it really cheap. So $349 for this one. It does have like a pressure gauge there on the top. So, and then it has an on and off button there. Guys, and this is another thing I don't see at every Home Depot. That's what I showed you guys this. This is the miter saw. This is Makita miter saw, $599. Jump from $649. It's a 18 volt times 2 5 amp hour batteries with a double port charger, so a dual port charger, down to $599. And it is a slider, and it has the sliding tubes on the side. If you guys see, it's pretty interesting how they made it. They designed it, so really nice. Definitely check it out. I'm probably gonna buy something like, not this one, but I'm planning on buying a saw. So if you got one of these saws, let me know. The DeWalt, the Milwaukee's, let me know in the comment section how they work for you. Which one do you have? So $299. You got this kit. It does come with 2 18 gauge and 1 16 gauge nailers. $299. So it does come with the hose and everything for you guys. So you got the buy more save more. So you buy 2 tools, 2 of these, for $179, or you buy 3 tools for $265, or you buy 4 tools for $349. Obviously, the buy more, the 4 tools is going to get you the better savings. but you can hack it. You can basically return the tools that you do not want and keep the tools at the discounted price, if that's what you want to do. Alright, so $269 for that big kit there. That's the $169 for these. Guys, this was on clearance too. Some of you guys were getting these like really cheap. I can't remember exactly what the price. I just remember seeing a few pictures of these yellow tags and those two nailers. Alright, so they got the angle grinder here. This is the Octane angle grinder. It's one of the, in my opinion, one of the better ones that Ridgid made or make. So $119 for that. $139 for the driver impact kit. And you got the Octane jigsaw, so $149 for that. You got the circ saw there, $129 Octane. Alright, so you got half an inch impact wrench. You got an impact driver for $129. $129 for the impact driver 3-speed. So, and then you got a blower there. This is 59 bucks. You got the oscillating tool, a corded oscillating tool, $79. So you got a 4-tool combo kit for $349. So like I said, these are on sale. If you guys do the buy more, save more, you guys are probably going to save more money. Alright, this is an older kit. It's down to $399. It's not a bad deal. It's actually a pretty good deal. It does include that really powerful hammer drill. It does have that 6 amp hour battery. You got a fuel flex bolts, not a fuel, a flex bolts circular saw. You got a combo, a 3-piece combo there at the bottom. That is the buy one get one free. So buy any of those tools on the top, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. If you guys return that battery, you guys are gonna get that tool really cheap. So that's the 5 amp hour battery. They only have one here, so $159 for this by itself. And you can buy one of these tools and get that battery for free. So $199 for that one. $199 for the jigsaw. And then you got that 2-tool combo kit there for $199. And then you got the impact wrenches there for $199. So like I said, you guys are gonna pay about the half of the amount for those. $10.97 for this screwdrivers, 11 in 1. So yeah, that's a nice screwdriver set. And then you got the demolition screwdrivers. These are really nice. I really like them, especially because they're nice and thick, and they do have the markings on the back, and then you can strike them. They do have metal. They should have metal all the way through, so they will last you a long time when you do the striking on the back there. And it does have metal, like a big plate there on the back. Alright, so $24.97. You got 45-piece shockwave impact duty, and $34.97 for a 15-piece red helix cobalt drive bit set there. So that's metal. Strictly, or you can use it on plastic too, but I'm guessing it's designed for especially for metal. It says right there you can use it on wood, plastic, and other materials. Alright, this is the shockwave impact duty bits. You got a sleeve there, and you got some, looks like some 3-inch bits, or some 2-inch bits, my bad, and some 1-inch bits there, stars. You got some nut drivers, socket adapter, and an extension there in the middle. $18.97 for the 10-inch Comfort B grips, or V-jaw pliers. So every company names them different. So you got some groove joints, you got some different names. So $25.88. This was the 19-ounce smooth face hammer. So a hammer and a pry bar there. It does have a nice handle there. Rubber handle, the pry bar. Something you don't see on every. And then it does have a magnet there, so you guys can hold the nails. Alright. You got the $199 for the dual power tower light. So that's it right there. I don't know if they're going to have a hack for this one or not. I'm pretty sure something's coming up. So guys, and if you guys see these boxes that are broken or beaten up or kicked or whatever, make sure you guys take them to the manager or to the customer service. They might get you a big discount on these, so make sure you guys grab your broken box. Don't break them or kick them or anything. Make sure you don't do that because they got cameras. But if you see one like this, make sure you guys take it up there, and hopefully they'll give you a big discount. And of course, if the tool is broken on the inside, make sure you bring it back. Bring it back, get your money back. If the tool is broken or something's damaged that you don't want damaged. But if it's just the box, who cares? Guys, these are the new Ryobi Link toolboxes. As you guys do see, that's the latching mechanism out there at the bottom. They do is IP65 rated, up to 50 pounds weight capacity. The link connection, impact resistant. I did compare these. They do feel just like a Milwaukee Packout, but I left you guys the sound on the latching part so you guys will hear it. But yeah, I do feel that they're similar to the Milwaukee Packout, but a little bit less quality. You can probably throw this around on the back of your truck or just, put it out in the sun or whatnot. I'm pretty sure it's going to stand some abuse, but nothing like Milwaukee Packout. Or DeWalt Tough System. I think the DeWalt Tough System and Milwaukee Packout got it pretty good. Even Ridgid, they do have it pretty good on their system. So this one's mostly directed to maybe professionals or lighter duty professionals, DIYs, But yeah, overall pretty interesting, pretty nice looking boxes here. The lock was kind of hard, but I ended up using both hands and it worked pretty good. And then you got some nice deep compartments in here, and you can put these little compartments on the sides. It does have like a little latching mechanism there on the side of the box. Pretty nice, and they all have that middle section there for some drill bits there. So overall pretty nice, pretty decent price, not overpriced. My guess it's they could be cheaper, but it's pretty decent. Alright, so this one's a milk crate that we call it when we say the Milwaukee milk crate. So that's the locking mechanism, and that's how you release it. Then you just push it down and it just locks by itself again. So yes guys, we saw this mower. This thing was a killer deal. I did not get it because I don't have any room. I know I always keep complaining about that, but yeah, this is a really good deal. $249. This is an 18-inch push mower from Makita, from $499. That's the gauges there, the battery gauges and on and off, and all those features that these have. But yeah, guys, this was a good deal. Somebody probably already have this in their yard. This does include 4 amp hour batteries, 5 amp hour batteries, I believe, and the dual port charger. We're gonna check right here. Yep, they do have them. I did count them, and they are 4 in there. So you guys do see 4 batteries. It's hard to see, but yeah, 4 batteries in there. So whoever gets it, it's gonna get a really good deal. And then they have these Toros. For $3.99, yes, on the other store we had them for like $2.29 or something, like $2.24 on the other store. So make sure you guys keep an eye out. If you guys need a mower, keep an eye out for these. They will go on clearance. Even these are on clearance. They got them down to $149, so really cheap for a small yard. 18-inch, not too bad. They still got some of these blades. There's 2-pack for $12.88. I ended up picking up a few of these. And then they got some more torn boxes here on the back. And this one was really bad, so you can probably get a bigger discount on this one. And I'll show you guys. They had these 2 back here. And then they had this one for $2.49. This is a gas mower, push mower. That's the clearance section that they had. Pretty much nothing else. And then they had these, that's the way it looks. Like I said, you could probably get a big discount on this one. Anyways, that's it for today. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform. My subscribers, likes, and we'll see you guys in the next one.